Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today you will read Chapter 2 of I Am Malala Independently. You will notice that the chapter is not very long, therefore there are only a few vocabulary words that I'd like to preview with you. Chapter 2 is called Dreams. Okay, the first word that I'd like to discuss with you is the word gully. You will notice that in I Am Malala, some of the children play cricket on a gully. A gully is a landform created by running water, eroding sharply into soil, typically on a hillside. Gullies resemble large ditches or small valleys and look just like this picture shown here. The next word is illiterate. Somebody who is illiterate is unable to read or write. You will notice that most women and children in Pakistan are illiterate. They are unable to read or write. And lastly, the word is elders. Elders are a group of people or a person of greater age than someone specified. So your grandparents would be considered your elders. All right, now you may read the chapter independently and complete the assignment on Google Classroom. Be sure to click Turn In when you are done. Have a great day.